Hi, I'm Laura Gillott with Keller Williams Realty Mid-Willamette. Let's talk about getting your home ready for sale and the photos. You know, 95% of all home buyers start their search on the internet. The thing that entices them the most is great looking real estate photography. If your home does not stand out from the crowd of other listings for sale, a buyer may never even bother to come by and look. Here are some helpful tips to get your home ready. In the kitchen, clear off all the counters. A helpful hint is no more than 3 items on a surface. On the refrigerator, remove all the notes and magnets and pictures off the fridge and nothing on top of the fridge either. Dirty dishes shouldn't be seen. Make certain those are put away, and also hide any dishcloth or cleaning supplies. And clean, clean, clean. The stovetop, the counter, the floors, make it sparkle. If you have under the counter lighting, turn it on and make certain that that's all working properly. The bathrooms should have no visible signs of toothbrushes, cosmetics, hair dryers, or anything to that nature. Put out an attractive soap dispenser, some fresh new towels, a fresh roll of toilet paper, and make certain the lid is down on the toilet seat. The living room. This room should look comfortable, relaxing, inviting. Not full with furniture and not overstuffed. Make certain you dust and vacuum everything. A couple of decorative pillows on the couch is great. Make certain all your lamps are working properly and the light bulbs are not burnt out. Removing the excess furniture. Make certain that the drapes and blinds are in great condition. The dining room. This should only contain a table and chairs and a hutch. Nothing else. Look in every corner, make certain there's nothing in there that is stacked up. Remember, less is more. If you have any leaves in your table, make certain you take those out and make it as small as possible. A centerpiece or some flowers work great in this room also. The master bedroom. Everything off the dresser top, 3-item rule. Night tables are for a lamp and maybe just 1 book. Everything else should be removed. Make certain that your lamps, again, are in good working order, because they will be turned on for the photo shoot. Use a solid colored comforter. Borrow one if you have to, and use some accent pillows. Make certain your bed is made nicely and that your box spring is fully covered. The yard. The front is the most important thing for making that great first impression. That is your curb appeal. So rake all the leaves, blow off the driveway and the sidewalks, cut the grass. If there's any bare patches, fill those in. Everything should be removed from the front and back. All toys, garbage cans, buckets, tools, pack those away, put them into your garage or into your shed behind a closed door. Stand at the street and look at your home from all angles. What can you see? There are many homes for sale competing for the buyer's attention. Photographs are how buyers weed out the homes. Let's not get weeded out. If you're wanting top dollar, then hiring the top team and having your place in top condition is key. Let us help you by doing a walkthrough prior to your listing and viewing your home with buyer eyes prior to the photography. I'm Laura Gillott, a licensed broker since 1992. Our team is proud to be your real estate resource, and I appreciate you watching.